Aloe Max, combining ancient wisdom with modern convenience. Did you know aloe vera is an ancient plant that originated from Egypt over 6,000 years ago? It has been used throughout history due to its many health benefits and is often called the miracle plant. At Herbalife Nutrition, we are passionate about well-being. We've developed Aloe Max, our highest aloe concentrate drink. Grown with purpose, Aloe Max has been produced from organic aloe plants grown in Herbalife, Mexico, which produces some of the world's best aloe because of its mineral-rich soil. We take great pride in planting and harvesting our aloe vera leaves by hand, which then go through an advanced filtration process to ensure every bottle of Aloe Max provides you with a smooth and great-tasting aloe drink. Aloe Max is 97% aloe vera juice with no added colour, sweeteners or flavours, and is also suitable for vegetarians and vegans. With only 2 calories per serving, it is the ideal drink to support your calorie-controlled health plan. We are proud to have Aloe Max certified by the International Aloe Science Council, which proves our commitment to providing you with a product of high quality. Just add to your water to support your daily fluid intake. From our fields to your glass, enjoy Aloe Max daily as the ideal addition to your health and well-being plan. Drink well every day. Contact your Herbalife Nutrition